We're done looking for our rental property. We had 4. $59,000 pesos. We have to sign the documents first, pay up front, and then they can paint.
It's not move-in ready. There's no way we could have moved in. Speaking of location, we're gonna talk about where it is, and it's gonna be in.
Can you show you something? Like, say something, 10, 8, 9. I didn't see it.
I already had like 4 of these. This is the ube halaya cheese. This is addicting. Oh my goodness. Hi, good morning everybody. Yesterday we went to see a bunch of properties in a new province, which is still a mystery right now. We will 100% tell you where we are at later on. Right now we are outside SNR. It's like the equivalent of Costco in Canada or the US. We have a list of things to buy. We need yogurt, mint, and a bunch of other things, so we don't get distracted in and out.
But no!
What?
The whole point of shopping is getting distracted, or else you don't get a lot of things, but you want to get a lot of things.
That's exactly what we're trying to avoid. We're gonna go in. Daddy, give me a card. Let's do some damage. Why do I have your driver's license? Let's go.
So fine, we'll do this one first. Okay?
I'm having some salad. Cassie is having some. You're dipping my croutons in the SNR salad dressing. It's kind of solid. I don't know why it's hard. It's okay. Thank you though. And then she's having yogurt. Em is over there ordering some pizza. We just planned to stop by to grab a few things. We ended up having lunch over here because I was thinking if we don't eat now, we will end up eating in one of the stopovers, most likely a Chowking or a Jollibee. We've had our fair share of Jollibee and Chowking runs, so we're gonna do something different. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what we did yesterday. It was just like a whirlwind of one property after the other. We showed you just one property, and we still have about 3 to show you. We gave you guys a little bit of a teaser. I'm gonna wait for M to let you guys know what he thinks about the other place. The pizza guy is here.
So we're done looking for our rental property. We had 4. Well, yeah, the first one was a little bit run down. There's a lot of issues there with paints and holes in the walls, and yeah, it just didn't look too appealing. I don't know if it's a norm here in Canada when you're going for a rental. Like when we were selling our properties in Canada, we had to make sure it is in a tip-top shape. It's super clean. No like holes in the wall. Everything painted. Same thing when you're about to go rent. But here, for some reason, what the lady told us, we have to sign the documents first, pay up front, and then they can paint and patch up the hole.
It's not move-in ready. Let's say we needed a place right there and then. There's no way we could have moved in within at least a week or 2 weeks because there's like a lot of repairs that needed to be done and a lot of cleaning. It's really hard to envision moving into a place and the stuff that you're going to be putting in there.
House 2 was okay. It was big.
We are here at the second property. Okay.
May mga gamit na po pero aalisin din pag.
Okay.
Magpapapintura po kasi sila.
I see.
Pasok kayo. Dalawang sasakyan. Ito po, dalawang car.
House 2. So the agent was saying that it's not up yet. There's no listing for that rental property. because I think somebody just moved out and they're just cleaning up the place and they wanted to show it to us because we told them that we're only going to be in the province that one day and then we're going to leave the next day. So they just showed us everything they got. They showed us 3 properties.
But I couldn't see the full potential of house 2 because it was just too...
Like, the people still moving out. Like, there's keyboards, there's chairs.
There might still be potential in house 2. The only thing
If it was up to me, then I'd cross out house 2.
So if it's up to you, you'll cross out house 2, okay. The only thing for me for house 2 is it's not a full subdivision. They don't have a gated security guard. So it's more like a open compound subdivision where you just go in basically.
And that leaves us house 3 and house 4.
Okay.
All the appliances were provided. There was a fridge, washer, dryer. There was like this massive master bedroom. House 3 required 6 months advance, just as like a bond, they said, because they said that they have all the appliances. We don't have to bring any appliances of our own. We literally just have to bring the clothes that we need. And yeah, so they needed 6 months. And I feel like that's a lot, especially if the minimum requirement is 1 year to rent the place. That's already half the year.
I mean, but the only thing I like in house 3 is the bottom floor because the top floor doesn't have a lot of space.
So the only thing that was kind of maybe a deal breaker for me was having the master bedroom for house 3 in the main floor by the kitchen. Like, I do want to be able to, be close to Sky when in her own room. So I don't want to be going up the stairs to see if if she cries or in the middle of the night you're having a bad dream.
I think we were debating between house 3 and house 4 yesterday, and both of them were in the same subdivision, like Em said. But the main difference is that one is older, an older house, cheaper than the other one. In the older house, all the appliances were provided. There was a fridge, washer, dryer. We are here at the, I don't know, 3rd house or 4th house? I don't even know. 4th house. So we're just waiting for the owner to show us around. What time is it? It is 5:51, and this is the last house that is on our list. Crossing my fingers, this place checks out all the boxes. I saw the pictures, so I really like them.
The good thing about house 3 and 4 is they're both in the same exclusive subdivision where there's like 24-hour security guard. They got like patrols every hour, especially at nighttime. So we do like that. It's very safe. So we're done looking for a rental property. We had 4. So which one's your favorite?
The 4th one.
Like that? You like?
Big.
So the only deal breaker for me for house 4, but it's the one that we loved a lot, was the pricing. So the price for house 4 was 59,000 pesos. So we have to like do a little bit of weighing out to see if the price versus like how the place feels and look, and is it homey. We got to look at all these things, and then we have to make a decision.
I like the pairs and my room.
You have a room?
Yeah. How about Dad, we're going to sleep beside that guy and you're going to sleep beside you? Yeah. I can wipe my hands. I can just shake my hand. But what if we all do this? Wipe my hand, Mommy. What if Daddy needs you and then... And what?
What is happening here? Meanwhile, Cassie's blowing her ice cream. Wait a minute, is this soup or ice cream? I can't even tell. Oh, soup. Oh my goodness. So, let me know what you guys think. Which one's your favorite? Maybe you can help us decide. Meanwhile, we're still going to be looking around, but we are kind of fixed on the location. So speaking of location, we're going to talk about where it is. It's going to be in 1, 2, 3. Bulacan. We are here in Bulacan. We researched the school here. We love for Sky to start attending this particular school here in Bulacan. Also, there's SM here, there's SNR. We are somewhat close to Manila without being, in the city. There's also an airport that's about to get built here in Bulacan. Yeah, and the drive is not that bad either. How long did it take us to get here? 4 hours? But if we leave earlier in the day, probably 3.5.
Wait, can I show you something? Look, say something. 10, 8, 9, 6, 9, 7.
But you're done with this, right?
I'm not done with this. I'm eating soup.
Oh, I need a fork.
There's no fork in here. It's only spoon. There's lots of spoons in here. Mommy, I need to go. No.
Daddy's right there.
Dad, can I please follow you? I come from the mommy. Hi, Mom. I'm not sitting. I'm not done yet. Let's go.
Ate, show your receipt, and then Cassie, show your chestnut. Okay, she got the memo.